Hello guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. Someone sent me an email, was speaking about real estate investment trust, which is abbreviated to REITs or REIT, R-E-I-T-S. Now, what are these REITs and their dividend? Okay. It's a company. Okay, they have shares, you give them money. So when you buy REITs, it's like a stock. You find it online, like in your broker or something. You go to REITs and you find hundreds of these companies. Now, you give them money to buy shares. So what do they do with their money, with your money? Okay, they buy properties, they lease properties, houses, offices, malls, a lot of stuff into real estate investment. Okay, now when they get a profit, they give you a dividend. Let's say, I just give you an example. You can go and you can check. Let's say 10%. Okay. This 10%, you know, I'm just trying to explain this dividend. I don't do dividend investing because it's worthless. I will show you why it's worthless. Because when I go online, I find hundreds of videos asking you to go to Reits. It's very good investment. You don't buy the houses, but the company buys the houses, they rent them, so you are at ease. This is what they tell you, but in real life it is not. I will show you into details what are these REITs. It's just a company. It starts, they have no money. Okay, so from where do you get the money? They get it from you, from me, from anyone else who wants to buy these shares. Now, when they get the money, they start the company. Is that easy? So people, professionals who are losers, who have no money, they get billions of dollars from where? From you and the other guys. They buy real estates, offices, malls, hotels, resorts. Okay? Those guys who working in these REITs, they become rich. They have too much money for free. From where? Do you think they do something to get this money? This money is free, because in the stock market, when you have your own company and you get listed like a REIT, you will sell shares, something that has no value, and it becomes having a value because you give them real money. Suppose that real estate, they put their stock like $1, $10, $50, and no one buys. Okay? They will go bankrupt. They don't do business. So they need you and me and the other people. And they try to make it easy, to make it that it is the best investment in your life. They tell you, oh, you stay there. Don't do nothing. Just sleep. We will work for you. How? We will buy houses, hotels, resorts, and something. When we get profit, we give you a very big profit, 10%, 50%, and you, when you see this 10%, 50%, it's too much money. 20%. You can go to this REITs, real estate investment trust, and you see what they give. But in terms of dividend, and you know that dividend, it's taken from the price of the stock. For example, if they say we will, let's say I give you a simple example. The stock is $10. Okay, in the whole year they say we will give you 10%. You know that in dividend they divide the dividend into 4 quarters. Okay, each quarter they give you, for example, 25 cents. and 4.25 cents, it's $1. It's 10% from $10. The price of the REITs is $10. Okay, and if they give you 10%, it means they give you $1 for each share you buy. Now, for you, you think that 10% is too much. It's good, okay, since you do nothing. But the problem is that whenever they give you a dividend, they take it from the price of the stock. So if the price doesn't go up, most of the price will go down. So you will have a problem. Why? Because your investment is going down. They give you some money and it goes to your broker, and you see it. For example, you buy, let's say, just an example, okay? You buy, for example, you buy 100 shares, okay? You get $100, okay? Now, you buy, for example, you have $10,000, you buy like 1,000 shares. For example, the stock is $10, okay? Now, if you want to buy 1,000 shares, is $10,000. Okay, understood? It's very easy. Now, how much they give you each year? They give you 10%, which is $1,000 each year. But the price of the stock next year, what is it? You will find that it is the same or less if you are lucky. For example, next year you will see your price. You find the REIT $9. So have you made 10% really? No, because they give you 10% and what is left is 9,000. It means it's the same. You get no money at all, although you are fed from your own money. This is what the people they speak a lot about dividend. Dividend, if there is no capital gain, it means if the stock doesn't go up, the dividend is nothing. They feed you from your own money. Okay? It's like you give someone it is your friend, and your friend invites you at the restaurant to eat, okay, and he tells you, give me $100. I will invest this $100 in something, but for that I will take you to the restaurant, and I will give you free food, free lunch. So he takes $20 from your money and he feeds you, okay? And then later, at the end of the year, he say, oh, the $100 that you give me, I lost business, so you have only $80. Okay? So this free lunch, it's not free, it's just they take it. Now, and this company, what will happen to this company? The company, they are making money. Those guys who are having REITs, there are few guys, few employees, and if you go to their CEO, executive, you will see that they have $1 million each year. They have 500 plus in incentives, and they take from the money as they like, because it's not their money, it is your money, and you give them for free. For me, I will never buy a REIT in my life, except there is one exception. If the stock is going up, I buy it for a few days because it's going up. I'm not staying in the stock. Okay, I don't care about the dividend. I don't care about this 10%. Because if the stock goes good, excellent, if I will make money from it. But the problem in these REITs, they stagnate. Go and see the REITs. Exceptionally they go up. they go up $1, 2, 3, 4, and next year they go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means you are not making any money from this. Okay, so be careful of this kind of investment. Another thing, your money, they take fees, they take management fees, they take a lot of things from your money. That's why your money, in terms of investment, doesn't grow that much. And maybe if you buy these REITs, you get attracted to this. The only thing that you must think of is that, for me, if I want to do an investment, what is the main thing I am looking for? Is capital gain. I am not worried about dividend. Dividend is when you have $1 million, $2 million, $3 million and you don't know how to trade. So what you do, you buy a REIT, you buy a mutual fund, or you buy lots of mutual funds or REITs. Why? Because when you get the dividend, the dividend, you live from this money. And because the money, you don't need it, you leave it stay for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. If the REITs or the mutual funds go up good, you are making good money and you are having dividend. But think about it. If the price stays the same the whole year or goes down, you lose money. This you should put in your mind and never forget. Okay? And you will see in the information that REITs, they must give you money. They feed me for my money. What's it? You say they must, or they? it's just my money. Okay, and they say no, it's the earnings, it's profit. Okay, give me my profit, give me the profit, and leave the stock. Don't take it down. If you don't understand this, go to the day of dividend, which is called X day. If you are doing dividend and you know about dividend, you will know that X date of the dividend, the price goes down. Okay? Because they take the profit from the stock, not from the real money, from their money, from the money of the company. You say, how much you get this year from your business? How much you get? Suppose you get 50%. Why you give me 10%? Why we don't share half? Because I am a shareholder. Why you give me 10%? Suppose that this company is making too much earnings. They always give you a low percentage of what they get. Okay? This is really a problem, because they know that the people, they don't understand investment. If you want to study something, go into details and check your money. You say to them, okay, I give you $10,000. Okay? I need 15,000 next year. I need 50%. Why you should give me 10% or 5%? Because you are doing business and you are making money. How much money you make this year? When they show you the numbers, they make too much money. Some of them, not all. Okay? If they are making so much money, where the money goes? It doesn't. They will buy other houses, other hotels, other resorts, and the guys who are working for this company, they get too much money. They get bonuses. You find, for example, a CEO getting $1 million each year. This is his salary. But it is not the intensives and the bonuses. They do themselves. They take from the money as they like, because the government or the Security Exchange Commission doesn't interfere what the money do. Okay, it doesn't interfere a lot in the money. So they do. These are Wall Street guys. They have free money. Okay. So do you think they will give you they will share the profit with you. They will give you part of the money, which is the lowest they can afford. Okay? But the whole money goes into their pockets each year. That's why, how many REITs have you seen? You find hundreds or thousands of REITs because it's a lucrative business. Some people, they make a company, they go to a stock market, they have a symbol, and they begin selling shares. The banks will take a profit from that. The underwriter, those brokers that they make the IPO, it means the initial public offering for the company, all they are making money except for you. That's why in America, I don't say scams, but there are a lot of things that the people, they don't know, and since they don't know, they get scammed always, and all their money is gone. So my advice is, you should find something. If it is a REIT, for example, you should see a REIT that the people like, and its price is going up. At least you will have two things. You will have what we call capital gain. It means if the price goes from $10, next year it goes to $12. It's good. Okay? Because I'm having two things. I'm having the dividend, 10%, and I'm having capital gain. If I want to sell, I will have more money. So I'm doing good. Okay? So don't be scammed, attracted to certain investment and you don't know what they are. Read books. Okay? These companies, they have it means they have website, they have phone, customer service. Call them. I say, okay, I want to buy these shares. How the fees are? You give 10%. What about the stock? Why it go down? It means, but if they know that you begin to understand a lot or something, they try to go around. Okay, and they give you a manager and they begin to say what's good. And for me, I don't do REITs at all. For me, I'm doing swing trading. I see some stocks going up, I buy for capital gain. If this stock, I have never seen a stock if it has a dividend or no. Okay, but sometimes I get astonished. I check my account and I find some money that it is not my money. I check it because it's not from my trading, and they say, what's this money is coming to my account? I didn't do that trade. And then I call my broker, I say, I find $200 or $100 or $300 or whatever. What is this money for? Oh, he told me this is a dividend from that stock. Oh, dividend. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. But that stock, not really REITs or any stock that has a dividend. Okay? So I say thank you very much. But that trade, I get capital gain. It means I win that trade. And if they send me dividend, that's good. Okay? But I'm not looking for those stocks that give dividend. Because, what's the trick? They don't grow that fast. I don't want a slipping stock, or creeping stock, or a stock that walks. I want a stock that runs. This is what I want. My strategy, I'm following those. And stocks that runs, they are not REITs, they are not stocks that give dividends. Most of the time. There are exceptions, but most of the time, they are not. Okay? If I buy a stock $10, after a few days, I get $15 or $14? Yes, I'm getting 40% or 50% for my money. Why should I give them money for the whole year? They give me 10% and they take it from the stock. The stock, for example, is $10. Instead, for me, getting $14 or $15 for my stock, it means I am getting 40%, 50% of my money in few days or 1 week or 2. I lock my money for the whole year to get $1, and it's not $11. My money will become $11. No, this $1 they take it from the stock. It becomes $9 plus my dollar is $10. It means nothing. I get nothing from my investments. This is stupid. If you don't believe me, try to take a deep look. Okay? If you have bought REITs before, give me your experience and tell me, okay, I bought this stock at this price, I sell it at this price, they give me dividend, and try to see if you are making money or no. And even if you are making 10%, 5% the whole year, okay, it's the whole year. It's not in 1 month or in 10 days, or it's the whole year. Why should I lock my money? I am a trader. I am not an investor. I don't do crap investing. Okay? I don't give the Wall Street guys, those who never traded. They don't trade. They take your money, they do some business, they have a profit, they take almost all the profit, and they give you a little bit. This little bit they take from your money. So you are getting nothing. If you don't know, learn. Okay? That's why for me, I'm trying to see some kind of trading that I can make money from. That's why my channel, my whole channel, is about making money faster than investing or than other kind of trading, that it is risky. Okay? You do day trading, it's riskier than swing trading. Why? Because in each day you can lose a lot of money. You do a lot of trades, and a lot of trades, as you might know, a lot of commissions. For example, if you do, let's say you do 2 trades a day, by the end of the year you will spend thousands of dollars just on commissions. Plus, if you use the margin, 1,000 or 2 or 3 on the margin. Now calculate these thousands that you lose from your profit and give me the answer. Okay? That's why they say most of the guys who do day trading, most of them, 97% or 90%, they don't make money. Because in order to make money you should be professional, and you should have a large amount of money to do day trading. Okay? Because you stay little time in the trade, few minutes, half an hour, 1 hour. Okay? So it's not easy. And another thing, you are fighting with professionals. Okay? You see the stock going up, up, down, 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 up, up. So you are fighting with professionals. They short the stock always. Okay? So this is all for this video. Hope you understand what is REIT, which is called Real Estate Investment Trust. They told you that give me your money, I will invest it in hotels, resorts, offices, malls, and when I make money I share with you a dividend. Okay? So tell them, don't touch the price of the stock and give me a check. But they don't do, because the money is taken from the stock. That's why dividend, ex-dividend day, if you know what is dividend, go and check. In this day, the price will go down. And don't be fooled that you do a trick to the stock market. You say, I will buy before and I short the stock and it go down and make money. No, because if you if you short the stock before the X date, you will pay the dividend. Okay, the money that you gain, you will lose later, because you will give the if you don't know this, try to ask your broker about if you short the stock before the X date. He will tell you that you should pay the commission, you should pay the dividend to them, to the stockholder. Okay, because you borrow the shares and you give it back to the broker. When you give it back to the broker, okay, you should give him the dividend too, because the other guy is waiting for a dividend. So you don't make money in that trade, except if it goes too much down. Maybe there is a problem, or there is something else. But all the people who short, that's why the people, they don't short it in the dividend. They short the price that it is going down is just because the company takes money from the stock. That's it. But it is not shorting. Try to understand things. If you don't understand these things, you will lose a lot of money and you don't know. They tell you that you make the best investment that in your life. Just give us your money. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you have any question, or if you are trading or investing for dividend, please, if you have your experience, share with us here, comment and give me what you have done. Maybe you are right. Thank you very much.